Fellow travelers, how can you consider yourselves travelers if you haven't visited this place? This is Burundi, a country in Central Eastern Africa. This is a place that needs no introduction. Some call it the heart of Africa. Others coined it the country of milk and honey, or the Switzerland of Africa. But now, travelers and locals, mesmerized by the beauty and wonders of this beautiful nation, they refer it to the Eden Garden. They are not wrong. Burundi is one of the most beautiful places you can ever visit in the world. Some say it's the most poorest country in the world. And I say, does this looks poor to you? Or did the definition of poor change over the years? Because there is no way you can convince me that this is the poorest spot in the world. Ha 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 ha. I'm laughing at the irony here. According to haters' logic,